Adam Merlin, president of Merlin Auto Group. What we're looking at here is an extremely rare automobile. It's a 1983 280 GE Mercedes-Benz. This is a G-Wagon, two-door convertible. Extraordinarily rare. Imported by Auto Europe, 1983, fully legal. We've put a full custom 2-inch lift by our friends at Butler Tire, 2014 Mercedes G550 powder coated factory wheels, 33-inch tires. This is a 6-cylinder engine with a manual transmission. It comes with 3 tops, bikini top, full soft top, and no top. This is truly one of the most fun G-Wagons you can find. It gets looks, turns heads everywhere you go. This car has air conditioning. A lot of these that you'll find out there don't have air conditioning. The other thing I want to caution you, a lot of these out there are rusted out old European cars that have not been restored. This car has been restored. There is next to no rust on it. We've updated it with new body style G-Wagon LED lights. Come on, let's take it for a drive. You can see for yourself. In typical Mercedes fashion, this thing cranks right up. Really very, very quiet. One of the things, if you've never driven a manual transmission Mercedes, you're really missing out. It's one of the most, just one of the easiest manual transmissions. We put a new clutch in this car, but even if you didn't have a brand new clutch, they're so smooth in how they shift. The off-road capabilities of something like this, I mean, this car, you know, when you think about what it compares to, you're figuring something like a Defender 90 or an old Toyota FJ. The beautiful thing about this is you have like the solid heavy feel of a Mercedes G-Wagon in a convertible. The bikini tops on it now provides a lot of shade for us. Kicked on the air conditioning. This is certainly an aftermarket air conditioning. In '83 they didn't have air conditioning in these, but it's ice cold. It's nice and warm here today, and it really makes a difference. But the best part about it is it really does. I mean, it drives and it handles like an older Mercedes, which is just a tank. I mean, you feel you can, any kind of weather situation, snow, if you want to take it off-roading. I mean, the car just has really some incredible capabilities. And, you know, to think about the fact that it's 36 years old, the price point that you can buy it in, the fact that it's really very rare. I mean, if you go out there, like I said, how many convertible 2-door Mercedes G-Wagons are you going to be able to find? And with the improvements we made to this one, lifting it, putting the bigger tires, the newer body style wheels, the LED lights, you're really not compromising a lot. It's got a Bluetooth stereo system, so really everything you need. Seats are extremely comfortable, plenty of room in the back seat. There's actually 3 seat belts back there, so if you have 3 kids or 3 people you want to throw in the back, you could. It does have a full top, almost new, plastic windows that are crystal clear. This bikini top is a great way to drive the car. Getting the top on and off is not that bad. You know, we all know that these soft tops can be challenging. I mean, a Jeep Wrangler can be challenging. But look, I mean, for a car in this class to have the heavy, solid feel of a Mercedes, the smoothness of the shifting, it's really something that you deserve a chance to take a look at it if you're interested.